But now we're going to move forward to work. All right. Now, when we move forward to work, this is more of our opportunity identification within our portal. If you're not familiar, this is where you come for our projects and jobs poster. Okay. Now, this is where you can receive information, individual opportunities or company opportunities. Okay. And if you see here, you can filter by keyword, you can filter by location and do a search, or you can use these boxes here to filter. Okay. Now, employment full-time is for individuals. Okay. So if you just want to see employment for full-time employees, you just uncheck these boxes here. Okay. And you want to find full-time employment as an individual. The search will adjust for you accordingly. Okay. And show you full-time employment. Work from home assistants, project managers. Okay. You see that. Pretty much full-time opportunities here. All right. Now, if I drop that and I click freelance, this will give me projects. I want to show these projects here, and let's click in a project. As you can see, this is an offering from Kinsley Construction. You can email us these and we'll put those up on the site, but we'd much rather that you come into PRA, have a presence on PRA, and you can upload your own projects and your own employment opportunities as you grow. So with our assistance, we would love to see you grow to be able to try to put teams together for projects. You can do this if you're on a project that you want to be on, you're looking for cohorts or you're looking for partners. You can put your project here and advertise it exactly like Kinsley does. Okay. They're looking for partners. They're looking for people to connect with on this website. This was yesterday, but they had a opportunity here for DBEs. Okay, as you see, the notice to proceed date and information, how to click on information here as far as the content, descriptions, and important information. Contact information is here. And then at times you can either contact or apply for a job. Mostly we will specify if you can click on this, just use the contact information as specified. All right. So this is how you identify an individual project opportunity. And as we go to projects here, I'm going to make the filter full. I'll put all the opportunities here just so you can see an individual project here. Let's just go here to BFW. All right. And as we check this out, this will show you an example of an individual job posting. All right, this is for a project manager. So use an individual. If you're freelance, individual, looking for projects or looking for work, here you go. So this is how we set this up. And this is good. You come here and look at these, how these are set up for your own opportunities through the platform. So through work, I click here. I go to post a project or job, and you can read this. Please post details of your project using the fields below. All requests for bids, quotes, and proposals should be freelance. Square company logo works best. The system will remember your logo and company info after your first post. Please contact us if you have any further information. All right, so this is where you put your job title, lets you know your account, your location, the job type, which is important, which is a pull down menu. In the description for your job, who you are, your email address, contact information. You can hit preview, and then you can edit your listing and submit. Once approved, it will be uploaded to the site. Okay, and that's how you post a project or job. All right, and to manage your post, you can click underneath here on this new link here to manage your post. And you can see when you post it. If it has been filled, you can say if you want to continue with the submission. But if you have this work from home assistant that I have here, I posted on 27th, listing expires about 30 days, mark as filled when I want to, if I want to edit or duplicate and start another one, or I just want to delete. And that's how you manage your profile for team building and outreach.